everyone, I am Farever from class 11 TBKR. So here I cook marinated chicken meat and chicken nuggets. For the first ingredients, there is chicken that has been marinated using fast food spices, chicken nuggets, and cooking oil. For the tools, there is a teflon, there is spatula and frying strainer. First step, put the teflon on the stove, then put oil into the teflon, then turn on the stove over medium heat. Wait until the oil is hot. Second step, put the chicken and chicken nugget into the teflon filled with hot oil. So that the chicken and chicken nuggets don't burn, they must be positioned back and forth so that the chicken and chicken nuggets are perfectly cooked. The final step, after the chicken and chicken nuggets are cooked perfectly, then remove them using a strainer and let them rest for a moment off the teflon so that the oil from the chicken and chicken nuggets can be filtered. I felt like the oil had been filtered. Clean also a pot in the oil filter placed near the stove, and after seasoning, put it out plate with rice, chili sauce, and vegetables.